The San Antonio AIDS Foundation says it won't be able to provide STD testing for the rest of the week. The reason? Federal funding cuts putting them out of money. KENS 5's Earl Stoudemire learned when they were hoping to provide these free tests again.
It's right on the door here at the San Antonio AIDS Foundation, closed for testing due to a change in CDC funding. The San Antonio AIDS Foundation says that this funding makes up for more than half of the services and testing they provide a year. CEO Charisse Ward-Allegrini says they average 375 tests a month for HIV, syphilis, and chlamydia. With funding from the CDC, they've done 995 tests this year.
We're not the only ones. Every agency in the state that has these DSHS funds, and most of the agencies like ours do, they receive the same letter.
This is the letter the Department of State Health Services sent to the San Antonio AIDS Foundation. We reached out to the department and their staff provided a statement saying the existing funding they had expired at the end of the month and are waiting to hear from the CDC about those funds being renewed for another contract period.
I'm hopeful that this is a temporary pause and we'll be able to move on, but given the circumstances in our federal government and the cuts to HIV care and HIV support, it is really concerning.
The San Antonio AIDS Foundation does have funding outside of the CDC and is working to provide tests again next week, but says they may be limited in how many they can give out. This news coming at the start of Pride Month.
It's a really bad message. You know, HIV impacts everybody, not just LGBTQ folks, but that is our primary population. And at a time when we should be celebrating our community, we're looking at funding cuts that directly impact the health of our community.
On the east side, Earl Stoudemire, KENS 5.